Hi. Today I'd love to introduce you to some of Moderne's new advanced features around impact analysis and how they relate to automated code remediation. So let's start with something really top of mind, vulnerability management. Moderne is introducing automated vulnerability remediation. We can run this recipe that identifies vulnerabilities by matching what Moderne already knows about the dependency footprint and matching them against vulnerability databases. We suggest fixes that are known safe. In this case, updating this property closes a high severity vulnerability related to privilege escalation. In addition to suggesting safe fixes, this recipe will also produce a data table of known vulnerabilities. Recipes can emit rows of tabular data according to simple schemas that they define, and Moderne aggregates rows across any number of repositories. We present that aggregate data for you to view. In this case, we're going to export it as Excel, so it's easy to integrate into data analytics tools you already use. And this Excel spreadsheet contains the rows, the vulnerability rows, from all of these repositories that we ran on. We've downloaded it, we can just open it up. And what you see is the columns that the recipe defined. We get to see the repository that was actually vulnerable, the CVE number, the version and its minimum fixed version, a summary of the CVE, its severity, whether or not it was a direct or transitive dependency. And if we were, again, trying to think about automated remediation, we can use this data source as a way of prioritizing our action. Let's just look at Jackson, for example. In this particular set of repositories, a lot of these require minor version bumps. So we know that that's going to require both dependency and code changes, potentially. But a few of these are just patch release bumps. So we have a recipe that can automate that fix, and let's just close those. Those were the suggestions we made.